Who goes to heaven from these three? A good Christian, a good Muslim, or a good Jew? The Torah determines who God is going to send to heaven, and that is people that follow the Torah. So, according to the Torah, a good Jew, meaning a Jew that follows the Torah, goes to heaven. A Christian that believes in the Trinity, that believes in the New Testament, that believes that a man became God, or that God became a man, is considered an idol worshiper. So therefore, they do not go to heaven. A Muslim that follows the Quran to the point where they even follow the parts where it says to be anti-Semitic and to kill Jews, certainly is not going to go to heaven. So who among the Gentiles will go to heaven? The righteous Gentiles. As the prophet says, at the end of days, 2/3 of the world will be annihilated in the war of Gog and Magog, but 1/3 will remain. And out of that 1/3, they'll be tested, and many of them will survive. So obviously 1/3 of the world is not the Jews. The Jews are a very, very small part of the world. And of all the Jews that we know of in the world today, there's maybe 15 to 20 million. Out of 8 billion people. So 1/3 of 8 billion people is approximately 2.7 billion people. So that's a lot of people. So that's obviously going to be Gentiles, but they're going to be righteous Gentiles that do not follow the teachings of the New Testament or of the Quran to the point where they are anti-Semitic and idol worshippers or doing things that are against the Torah, but rather are following the laws of the Torah which pertain to non-Jews. So this is the people that go to heaven.